So we are repotting a succulent that we have here. It's getting a little bit too big for its pot. And we are going to put it into a bigger pot so it can grow bigger and bigger. Right now, my sister's putting in dirt in the pot, and then we're gonna take the dirt that's on the succulent and mix it together. Oh, it looks like they need a little bit more dirt. Make sure it's even on all sides so it doesn't tip over. And then flatten it out so it has a nice comfy home to grow. Need more dirt. This plant's name is Zoila. You have to give your plants names and talk to them every day. That's how they grow. They need to hear your voice. You should sing to them too. Okay, we got more dirt. Oh, actually, I need to make sure he's healthy. So right now she's checking the leaves to make sure none have. Okay, so we added more dirt and made it a nice little comfy home. And now it's gonna grow even bigger. Can't wait to see.